Today we'll be talking on properties of a fluid. There are several properties of a fluid, including we have several properties of a fluid. We have density, we have viscosity, we have weight density, we have specific volume, we have specific gravity, we have surface tension, we have compressibility, we have thermal conductivity, we have specific heat, we have pressure. There are many several properties of a fluid. So these are the out of the several properties of the words. So we have like 9 properties here and their definition, the meaning of the 9. One is density. Density is also known as mass density or specific mass. When we're talking about density, it's defined as a relation of the mass and volume. So it is defined as a mass per unit volume. It is denoted by this symbol known as a what? Rho. So from the definition of a density, we got that is a ratio of what? Mass and volume, or mass per unit volume. So that we have density is equal to mass all over volume. And we all know that mass is measured in kilogram, while volume is measured in what? Meter cube. So we got our units from there. Its unit is kilogram per meter cube. Let's go to viscosity. Viscosity may be defined as the properties of a fluid which determine its resistance to shearing stresses. Viscosity determines its resistance to shearing stresses. Is the one that is a fluid which allows fluid to resist. So that's why we get viscosity. It may be defined as the properties of fluid which determines its resistance to shearing stresses. Weight density. Weight density is also known as specific weight. It is defined as the weight per unit volume as it is standard tension and pressure. It is usually denoted by W. Our weight density is denoted by W, and it is what? It is the weight per unit volume. That is, our weight density is all about what? Weight all over what? Volume. Specific volume. It is defined as the volume per unit mass of a fluid, or the reciprocal of the density. The reciprocal of the density gives us specific volume. So we have specific volume 1 over what? Density, which is rho. So 1 over mass all over volume gives us volume all over mass. Volume is measured in meter cube, while mass is measured in what? Kilogram. So that's why we have meter cube all over meter cube per kilogram. Let's go to specific gravity. Specific gravity is the ratio between the density of a given fluid and the density of a standard fluid. So when we're talking about specific gravity, the ratio between the density of a given fluid and the density of a standard fluid. Our density of a standard fluid, which is density of water, is always 1000 kg per meter cube. And in specific gravity, it has no units, because density of a fluid is never, it has no units. Surface tension. Surface tension is the force acting on the surface on a liquid, causing the liquid surface to behave as a stretched elastic skin. I've explained this one in our previous lesson that is a force exerted on an area, so which is what? Surface tension. Next is what? Compressibility. The ability of a fluid to change its volume under pressure. I've also explained this in our previous lesson that when a fluid is compressed, it means it changes its volume under pressure. And if our fluid does not compress, it means it does not change the volume under pressure, which is what? Incompressibility. So compressibility is part of properties of a fluid, and also thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity is the process of a fluid to transfer heat. If a fluid is able to transfer heat, we call it that process as well thermal conductivity, and it's also properties of a fluid. The next is what? Specific height. Specific height is the distance of an object above the ground. When you have a distance of an object above the ground, it is called specific height, and its unit is what? Meter. The distance of an object above the ground is called the specific height. So these are the definitions of the properties of a fluid that we have considered. We have many properties, but these are what we are going to talk. This is what we are talking on. So here we have just 9 properties of the fluid.